Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use a PNG file within the Cricut design space. My name is Tawana and I provide printable stickers through my Patreon. And if you're a patron, typically you will get a zip file that has a trace file, a thumbnail, a PDF that includes the stickers with and without outlines, and a silhouette cut file. I personally have a silhouette cutting machine, so that is why I provide the cut file. So first you will open up the PDF. And as you can see, this one with the outlines and without the outlines. We're going to use this page. So just go to File, Export, Image, PNG. And you'll save that, and it will convert both pages into PNG files. And we'll be using this page and this page. Okay, so now you'll open up the Cricut design space, and we will upload these two files. So just find your folder. First, the PNG file, I'm going to select Simple, Continue, Continue, and I just save it as a cut image. Once it loads. And then we're going to also upload the stickers. Which I select the moderately complex. And then here I'm going to save it as print then cut image. Once these are saved, we're going to upload them into a new project. Okay, your images are uploaded. Now select them and insert them into your new project. It may take a moment. The stickers are designed to fit on 8.5 by 11 paper. For some odd reason, when you upload them, it's bigger. I'm not sure how or why it's doing that. I'll have to figure that out at a later date and update this tutorial. In the meantime, you will need to, sort of finesse your way of aligning these files since they're not the same size, and the alignment tool up here is not going to work. Then once you do that, we're going to group them. And we will resize this down to 8.5 by 11. Make sure it's locked. And then right-click Slice. And if you look to your right-hand side, you'll see the slice result. As you can see, the stickers have been cut out of the paper. So you no longer need this piece, and it can be deleted. And here are your stickers. So with a Cricut, there'll just have to be a little more work put into you being able to print your printable stickers. Whether that's a set you get from me on my Patreon or online or for someone on Etsy, you'll just have to do a little more slicing and maneuvering so that it can fit on your print area. For silhouette, we have more print area, and that's what these signs are made for, I guess, in a sense. I designed them to fit within the silhouette print area. I'm actually not really sure what the print area is for a Cricut. I'll have to look that up later. But if you see here, we have the outlines of where the stickers are. And all you need to do now is just take a square and size it down. And one second. You'll need to move this box to the front. And select both of them and hit slice again. And if you look to the side, you don't need this part, so that can be deleted. And you've now broken these two pieces of the teardrop. And you can maneuver it how you need to in order to print your stickers. And I will link a tutorial below that I watched in order to kind of come up with this, and hopefully that can help you further the process after this of you setting up the area that you're going to print. But thank you for watching.